As the state government has relaxed COVID-19 restrictions owing to relaxation of new cases in the state and has set a new guidelines where double vaccinated individuals do not require to produce RT-PCR tests before entering the state, and only double vaccinated persons are allowed to enter in restaurants, bars, clubs or movie theatres. DD News Meghalaya spoke with few of the owners and managers of restaurants and bars in regards with the new set of guidelines. Here are a few reactions.
Direct 6:30. Okay,
First, when the customers enter, we tell our waiter, and in the evening, our bouncer comes in. We keep an eye on the cards or whatever, the receipts or whatever that stuff is. We check if they're double vaccinated, and if they're having any sort of fever, headache or any symptoms are there, we don't allow them to enter. That's how we are taking protocols.
Yeah, it's a good thing only. Like, we have to be alert because vaccine somebody have taken, somebody has not taken. So it's a good thing. So COVID's still there. So we have to maintain the protocols and all. So we are maintaining the protocols. If any customer comes, we just take the phone numbers, address and all. They are vaccinated or not. So customers also like cooperating with us. So it's a good thing only.
Meghalaya BJP in charge Dr. Chuba Aw said